Okay, as you can see, this box is still fully sealed, not open, right? Neither side is open, it's all sealed, and it encouraged me to take video while I'm unboxing this wrap, right? Let's do it now. Okay, scissors, cut it from the top. Let's see what's inside. Okay, inside the paper wrap is a machine, alright? Okay, there's a sticker here. Alright, not bad. I have a machine sticker if I bought it in such a way. Then I have a machine box. Look at what it is, double layer protected, right? And the machine box is still fully sealed, right? It's all sealed. It's not open yet. Here, no, not on the bottom. Let me unbox from the top right now. Okay, the moment of truth is coming. This is quite a special unboxing because usually if I've just gotten the new toy, right, I will just show it what it is. But this time it's a bit special. Maybe later throughout the video I will share a bit more what happened this time. Okay, thank you for your support card from Machine. Let's put this aside. And chang chang chang, this is the new toy that I'm getting, right? From the bubble wrap itself, probably you can see a bit of the hint of what it is. Let's see what's inside. Okay, first remove the bubble wrap, and yes, here you go, man. This is what the new toy is. Alright, let's begin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I unbox a new toy, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's unbox it and check it out. Okay guys, take a look at the box, right? From the weight, I feel that it's quite similar to last year model. And on the printing, you have the lifted iPhone image above the box, feel quite nice. And on the side you have the orange iPhone wording, bottom orange Apple logo, same on the side and the top, right? I think it's a matching of the phone color that you have chosen. And the back is the serial number, sealed top and bottom. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, let me put the phone flat on the table and peel off the paper stripe gently. Okay, here you go. This is the most wonderful moment of unboxing iPhone. Top stripe, yes, the first one removed, and the bottom one, let's go. Okay, great. Let's go the next one. Done. Yes, and I flip this over, unveil the phone. Let me leave it up. Chang, chang, chang. Wow, take a look at the color. It's simply stunning. I think this is the best color I've ever seen on iPhone, especially iPhone Pro. Yes, this color is interesting and energetic. I never seen such energetic color from iPhone Pro especially, right? Wow, we can see on my lighting itself, there's two tone. On the top part is the cosmic or the goldish orange, and the bottom part is the lighter orange, I would call it, right? And you, oh yeah, there's the Apple logo hidden underneath of this ceramic shield, right? This covered by the ceramic shield, and the entire phone this year is covered by the aluminum unibody. Wow, I feel very handy on the phone. Yes, I can say it's a couple of grams heavier, but it does not affect the day-to-day usage. Let's see any rearrangement of the button. Okay, on the side of the phone, you have the camera control button, on-off button, Right on the bottom, you have the speaker and the Type-C port. And for Malaysia version, we still have the SIM card slot, and you have the volume down, volume up button, as well as the action button. Nothing on the top. Yes, I think everyone was focusing on the. Let's go back to the back of the phone. Wow. Yeah, this year Apple make this entire component, this entire camera component larger. They call it the plateau. Yes, and they rearrange the flashlight as well as the LiDAR, right? And this is the microphone hole. And on the bottom, yes, oh, I can feel it's, yup, very soft, very good production work. And yep, no more sharp edges as compared to the few previous generation iPhone. I think starting from 14 Pro Max is sharp edges, and yep, this one not really. Very nice and handy on hand. Let's see what's remaining on the box. Yep, okay, we have the Type-C cable. Oh, alright, just Type-C cable, and see there's nothing inside. No more, not even have the paperwork. This really Apple, right? And let's focus back on the main guy. Let's talk a bit about this design, the new design this year. Instead of new design, Apple also removed the usage of titanium. Instead, they have chosen to use aluminum. I believe this may help significantly on the heat dissipation and heat disbursement, right? Because on the 16 Pro Max, yes, the battery much better. The heat dissipation much better than the 15 Pro Max, but when you have a long-term or extreme usage, you still feel the heat there. Hopefully this year iPhone 16 Pro Max will don't have this issue. Here comes the most interesting part of the unboxing, is to removing the paper cover on the phone. Let's do it gently. Chang chang chang. Wow, the sound is very healing. Yeah, finally the phone is totally unboxed. Let me try to boot it up. Wait for the Apple logo. Yes, the Apple logo is showing up. Wait until the phone is fully booted up. Okay, I think I put this as a base of the phone. Alright, you can see. Oh, it's booting up. Yes, hello. Welcome. Take a look at the UI. Let me zoom nearer. Wow, it's nice. Oh, you look at the new liquid glass design, or we call it iOS 26. Wow, the hello button. You can see the hello wording, sorry. And wow, it's on certain reflection, you can see the hello wording is like moving towards a different angle. Wow, that's impressive. And let's see, okay, this main screen is the setup screen is the similar. Let's go with English. Okay, Malaysia. Okay, setting up the language. Okay, it's in. Okay, appearances. Okay, let's remain as default. And yep, quickly set up. Okay, set up without another device. I will come back to this selection later. Okay, let's use setting. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, entering Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Let's see. Yep, there's 50% battery left on the new phone. Okay, update later. Continue. Adopt. Set up later. Okay, set a passcode. Alright. Okay, don't transfer anything. I just want to go to the main screen and see other sign option. Okay, okay, let's try this setup later. don't use. Okay, you go agree. Update your phone automatically. Okay, okay, continue. Not now. Set up later. Okay. Let's see. Set up later. Set up later. Don't share. Light. Oh, let me try it. Okay, dark. Okay, I prefer the dark. Okay, set up later. Camera control button. Yes, I know it's on the side. Yes, alright. Let's go. Not now. Set up later. Continue. And I think we're ready to go. Oh, look at it. Dark liquid glass design. Wow, welcome. Get started. Okay, here we are in the main screen or home screen of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, iOS 26. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay, let me put this down, and I think I have something to unbox at the same time. In fact, I have gotten the casing. I've gotten the casing for my new phone. Yes, I can unbox it right now as well. Let me put this aside. Okay, just to peel off this paper stripe. Okay, yes. And you can see, oh, okay, it's protected with the plastic paper, right? And yep, this is the new casing for my new phone, right? Let me put it in, keep it protected. Yeah, it should fit perfectly. Yes, that's it. Wow. All right. Wow. Yes. Nothing much, no complaint. It's totally perfect, right? Okay, let me go to the home screen, and I think I could have compared it side by side. Okay, give me a moment, get my old phone. Okay, after putting in the casing, I can compare the phone side by side. On my left hand is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. On my right hand is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. In terms of this first allocation that we're looking at, okay, not much different, okay, except the SIM slot on the older model is somewhere in the middle, newer model somewhere adjusted to the lower part, right? Let's see another side of the phone, right? Okay, the allocation is identical, not much difference, and I can see antenna on both sides of the phone. Right, how about the top part? Okay, on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the older model, they have antenna here, but there's none on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. How about the bottom? Oh, obviously, yes. iPhone 17 Pro Max has a more speakers, more speaker hole. Obviously, I think this has a better speaker or sound quality as compared to the older model. And there's antenna here, but there's none on the new phone. How about the main screen? Okay, on the main screen, right, you can see on the iPhone 17 Pro Max is narrow, have a narrow bezel as compared to the older model. So this definitely have a better screen. Take a look at this angle. You can see the newer iPhone has a better anti-reflective screen. You can see on my right is the newer model. The reflection on my newer model is much lesser compared to the older model. You can see it's a bit blurry on my new phone, but it's a bit sharper. The color, I mean the shadow is sharper. The reflection is much clearer on the older model, but on the newer model you can see the reflection is much lesser. This is one of the new improvement from the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Alright, before I end the video, let me share a bit of my experience for this purchase. I think most of you feel surprised how come I can receive the phone as a parcel instead of the phone box by itself. Yes, myself get surprised too. But according to the customer service, they told me, oh, because I didn't pick the right option, I should have chosen the pickup instead of normal shipping. That's what it happens, right? But this is not my first purchase with the store. I wonder why this could happen. Apparently throughout these few years doesn't happen such thing before. Well, it's confusing, and because of this I would not receive any notification or alert, SMS alert telling me that the product or the phone is ready to be collected. I have to make my own initiative to check with the customer service online when is it available, and they told me it's ready, right? Then okay, then when I visit the store today, the front desk, they just tell me, hey, sorry, it's not yet arrived. But I insisted, and at the end they found the phone is already in the back of the store. So these are some experience that I encountered this time. Probably my viewer, you should have avoid this next time. Okay, this is all I have for you in this episode. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you always get the latest update. As usual, feel free to drop me any comments down below. This is Anders signing off.